Hey guys, it's Femi right here, and as you can see here is a setup I actually analyzed on Gold, and analyzed the setup, and here is how it played out. So I'm going to be breaking down how I got this trade. This is a very textbook trade, like it's very textbook, right? So I'll break it down so you guys can understand. Alright guys, so here is I just clear out the chart, and coming to the market, the first thing you want to do is look at the trend of the market, right? Look at the direction where the market is going to. Now, making this video is a very hard one for me. I didn't want to do it, but I'm just doing it for my people that would actually want to watch, because I've been in a really bad mood. I've been having a really bad psychology lately, and yeah, guys. So firstly, coming to the market, you want to know the trend, right? So here in the 5 minutes time frame, because I was trading the 1 hour time frame, but because of it's the holiday season, it's December, right? So the market is very choppy, and you tend to realize that market is slow. It's very choppy, and trade don't fully play out this period, right? So now coming to the chart, the first thing I just saw was okay, we're in an uptrend, right? All right, cool. So the next thing I wanted to see is a break of structure. you know Weak doesn't count here when we're talking about break of structure. Now this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure, even if body to body, right? So even if we wanted to say, okay, yeah, weak, let's check the week and all that, it also had a break of structure, right? I just wanted to see that, knowing that, okay, why I wanted to see a break of structure is because I wanted to know if the uptrend is going to continue, right? Sometimes I haven't trade without a BOS, break of structure, right? So then after seeing this, why I specifically wanted to see all these things, because trading the lower time frame it's less, how would I put this, your like the setup I trade is on the 1 hour, so trading it on the 5 minutes, it's less probable that it's going to play out, right? So that's why I wanted it to be okay, right? I want it to be textbook. So now, after having that break of structure, I I was looking, right, I was looking for liquidity, which I saw here, right? I know that Private was going to take out this liquidity, and it did. Right, then the next thing I was looking out for was if our order block is valid. How do you know if valid order block? It usually has fair value gap before it, right? Or after it. So yeah, this is it. So I marked out the 50%, not really the 50%, let's say 70%, right? Or 60% of the order block. Marked it out, and I after seeing all the confluences I need, I placed my orders. Don't just analyze, make sure you execute. That's something that's very important. So placing my orders, and you can see why this setup is very accurate. Now let's see when price triggered. Now I'm in Nigeria, right? And London session starts by 9. Now my time here was set to London session. You can see my time zone. I put alert London session because that's the time I tend to trade a lot, right? So now in London session starts by 8. Nigeria starts by 9, right? So now you can see I got triggered exactly at London session opened. I know that, okay, price is going to manipulate, right? Once the London session comes in, price is surely going to take out the zone and trick sellers into selling, right? So it took out the zone with impulse, right? With an impulsive move, and you can see that it just wicked into my zone and flew all the way up. Now I targeted a 1 to 5. I think my take profit was here, something like that. So that was it. That was all for this trade. Yeah, guys. So that's it. I hope you learned a thing or two from this breakdown. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you learned a thing or two from this video, you can share to your friends or family or anybody, anybody you think the video might be helpful to, and like, subscribe, and Merry Christmas, guys.